into a cry òyìnbó mo fẹ́ lò náà ó máa wá sí mi lórí tó bá ti jáde nísìn pé ṣó mọ̀ pé genocide is currently taking place ẹ máa pariwo nísìn ẹ máa ríran o ẹ̀yẹ máa ríran o. I'm already recording as well on my other phone. This is why we are saying to you all, let us push and push and push. No going back. Òun ni bàbá wa Chief Sunday Igboho sọ, òun ni bàbá wa Ìbà Gani Adams sọ, òun ni gbogbo àwọn Afẹ́nifẹ́re sọ. Even though wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ restructuring, wọ́n mọ̀ pé restructure lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. Àwọn bàbá yẹn mọ̀ Yorùbá nation ni wọ́n ń ṣe. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba, gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń ra ọba sọ̀rọ̀ nínú bíbà àti àwọn tó ń bá Queen sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ máa sọ fún Mama Charlie, God bless the Queen, that enough is enough. Nigeria is already have to break. They need to break up Nigeria so that we can have a better life just like them. Shadi, they are ready, set, and ready to go. These are the motorcade that will be taking the Prime Minister. Once again, my name is OLAYOMI KOIKI. Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Androki, Prime Minister, let me turn the camera back to myself and then make it, okay, I'll just leave it like that so that we are not going to miss him. Tobati Jade. Gbogbo tẹ́ bá fẹ́ bí ẹ máa sọ síbẹ̀ tó bá dijọ́ kan àwọn tó jẹ́ Great Britain wọ́n máa wá ka gbogbo broadcast yìí. Continue to ask the question why we should be together in Nigeria. Why should we be together when the whole process needs to expire? Once again, this is Koikimedia live. Prime Minister, are you aware of the genocide taking place in Nigeria presently, by those killing millions of Nigerians? I've been waiting for this for a very long time, and I'm going to be catching that now by the time it comes out. I'm also recording. This is another recording, as you can see there. I'm recording so that I can capture that, and then I'll be able to circulate it. Once again, it's the 23rd of June 2021. As sofun gbogbo àwọn tó wà nílé pé we will use our media to continue to ask the question from all the members of parliament, from all the MP, from the Prime Minister, Cabinet Minister. Why is it that everybody is looking at the genocide that is taking place in Nigeria and nobody is doing anything? Millions of Nigerians are dying every day, but yet Great Britain, the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, has not done much, to look into some of those problems. And the problem is a total disintegration out of Nigeria. As you can see, the only way out is to break up Nigeria so that there will be peace. Because if a war starts in Nigeria, the whole world will have to ask those questions why they left it too late without looking into it as quickly as possible. That is the motorcade of the Prime Minister about to leave his building, which is number 10 Downing Street, a popular black door. That door has been in existence for a very long time. I'm sure some of you know. Let me just show you some of the other views. As you can see there, that's the Union flag right on the top there. And number 11 is where the Chancellor also lives as well. Nigeria is at the verge of breakup, and Great Britain must now do something as quickly as possible to look into some of those issues. If otherwise, if a war should break out and lose out, millions of people will have to be killed, and millions of people would have to be in refugee camps, but the world would have to be responsible for not doing anything. This is just one out of so many broadcasts that we'll be doing from here as well. And I think it's coming out. Hello, Prime Minister. Are you aware of the genocide taking place in Nigeria? Prime Minister, are you aware of the genocide taking place in Nigeria currently? Okay. It's already in there, but I've already passed the message to him. So that's the Prime Minister now heading out to the Parliament. My name is OLAYOMI KOIKI. So we will continue with the broadcast.